Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a hole in a shape in Adobe Illustrator. So on the artboard at the minute I just have an image. Now that is so that when I make a hole in a shape you can just more easily see that a hole has been made, but it has nothing to do with actually making a hole in the shape, it's just for demonstration purposes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create ourselves a new layer, and then on this new layer I'm going to draw a red rectangle. And I'm going to be making a circular hole in this red rectangle. So what we need to do now is we need to draw a circle over the top of this rectangle. Now just so it's easier for you to see, I'm going to change the color, and then I'm going to draw a circle over the top of this rectangle. So now if we come and have a look at our layers, we have the rectangle on the bottom and then the circle on the top. Now this is important because we're going to be using a certain mode in the pathfinder to take this circle away from this rectangle behind. So if you don't have the pathfinder open, all you need to do is click on window and then come down to pathfinder. So now with the pathfinder open, we're now going to select our rectangle and we're going to hold down the shift key and we're going to click on the circle. So now we have both the circle and the rectangle selected. We're now going to come to our shape modes and we're going to come to the minus front one. So that is going to take the shape of the circle in front away from the rectangle behind. So if we click on that, as you can see, we now have a circular hole in our rectangle, and you can just come along and you can edit the anchor points like so. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.